This is my trading robot finding a setup it likes. Watch what it does next. It said no to itself. That's not a bug. That's the part I paid the most attention to.
Here's how people actually lose money. It's never one bad call. It's a chain. You take a loss, so you size up to make it back. That one loses too. Now you're mad, and mad is expensive. By Friday, the account that was supposed to teach you something is just gone. Nobody blows up from being wrong once. They blow up from being wrong, then reaching.
So when I built the agent layer, I didn't spend the time on the part that picks. I spent it on the part that refuses. 9 separate controls. Any one of them kills an order on its own. Everybody out here selling you signals. Nobody's selling you breaks.
This robot's main job ain't finding trades. It's refusing them.
And the code that says no, it doesn't ask the AI for permission.
Most bots start trading the second you turn them on.
Not this one. Out the box it proposes. You approve. Default mode is propose. Default account is paper. Fake money. You have to go out of your way to point it at real cash. And most bots ship the other way around. That's a choice they made about you.
Everybody's got a size they swear they'd never go past, until the day they do.
So it's not a promise. It's a ceiling. No single order past $100. Not because 100 is magic. Because a cap you set on a calm Tuesday protects you from the version of you that shows up on a red Thursday.
And the day you're down, that's the day you want to keep going.
$400 a day, rolling 24 hours. It counts what you already spent before it lets you spend more. This is the one that kills the death spiral. You cannot revenge trade past it because the ledger says no. One flag, everything stops. Manual or automatic when something else trips. There is always a way to make it all stop.
A signal fires. You step away, make a sandwich, come back.
30 minutes later that read is old news. The market moved without you, so it expires. 30 minutes then it's dead and it will not send. A stale plan is a different plan.
This next one sounds paranoid.
It is on purpose. Right before sending, it checks the ticker against the allowed list again, even though it already checked. Because the queue could be corrupted, tampered with, or just wrong. And the last thing you want is a bot confidently buying something nobody approved.
Your edge was at that price. What about this one?
It saves the price from when the signal fired, pulls the live price and compares. Stocks, moved more than 0.5% against you, cancel. Crypto, 1.5% because crypto's wilder. At a worse price, it might not be an edge at all.
After 3 losses in a row, you are not analyzing anymore. You're chasing.
3 losses and it halts itself. Not a suggestion, it stops. The robot doesn't get tilted so it can notice that you are.
And the whole day.
It snapshots your equity when the day starts. Down 5%, everything halts. 5% is a bad day, 5% is survivable. It's the 10th bad day in a row that ends you. This makes sure today ends at bad, not fatal. Now sit with this one. The spend caps only apply to buys.
Selling is never blocked. Never, you can always get out.
A cap that trapped you in a position would be a cap that hurt you.
Same idea in what it acts on. To enter, it needs a strong buy, highest conviction. To exit, any sell signal at all will do.
High bar to get in, low bar to get out. That's not a setting, that's a whole philosophy about being wrong. One more, if the live price is missing when it goes to send. A PI down, network hiccup, whatever. It doesn't guess and it doesn't send anyway, it refuses.
When it doesn't know, it does nothing. You know how rare that is.
None of this is a claim. Every number we said is in the file. Open it yourself.
100, 400, 3, 5%, 30 minutes, 0.5%, 1.5%, all of it right there. So let's be straight about what this is not. It is not advice. We're not your advisors, and this isn't a recommendation.
It will not make you money. Most options trades lose. That's not pessimism, that's the math, and any tool telling you different is selling you something.
Guardrails aren't a guarantee, they're seatbelts. Seatbelts don't make you a good driver, they make crashing survivable.
What this is, the discipline you already know you need, written down in code. So it works on the days you don't feel like it. Quantum MELANIN Media.
Voice and receipts for the unparented diaspora.
Angers.
Sassoon, son stood tall while he crawled in the dirt, but the deeper the